yeah, the Niagara Falls just, mm,
It's
I don't know. I can't even.
um
I mean, the Grand Canyon was just all just
majestic.
majestic.
Canyon is majestic.
Yeah,
Niagara Falls is powerful
yeah,
because to
yeah.
see
Is
the
that for
water,
hookup sites? Yes, it is.
and the rushing of the water
Mm,
and to feel the power of the mist. I mean,
yeah,
it was like we were in a tornado almost, or
yeah.
the rain, a
Hurricane. Yeah,
hurricane or something. And it was just the power of the water flowing over,
the
creating,
rocks,
yeah,
and you can hear it, and you can feel the wind. Yeah.
it
If
was
you have not been, plan a trip to Niagara Falls.
yes.
Just plan it. Just go ahead and do it.
Highly recommended.
You won't regret it at all.
Yes.
And
Highly, highly recommended.
then we left the country.
Yeah.
We we left the country. We just walked right out. The campground is beautiful.
The
Separate island. I stayed there a couple. Oh, okay. Somebody stayed here.
oh, yeah.
But we left the country. We just walked right on over to Canada and had a ball over there. Uh, um, but you need your passport to go. Niagara Falls had it 33 years ago on a honeymoon.
Oh,
And so, but we went over there and we hung out there all probably about 4 hours.
yeah.
We just walked around. We did some things over there on the Canadian side. And then we walked back. Came back on the Rainbow Bridge. So you don't have to drive your car across, but you have to be willing to walk a little bit.
Yeah. You need your passport
Yeah.
and you need $1.25
Yes.
to get back into the US.
The US charged us to come back home.
And we actually went and had appetizers at the Skyline. What is it called?
Skyline
Skyline
Tower, I
Towers.
think. Yes.
Skyline Towers. I also don't like heights along with bridges, but that didn't bother me because we were in a
Mm,
what do you call
it's just like a sphere.
yeah,
And so it is
observation deck.
observation deck. And so it the outside of it spins around or rotates.
Hmm.
And you have to have a reservation to eat there. We were just there. We just wanted to go up. You have to pay to get in, but we wanted to just go up, have an appetizer, walk around the sphere a little bit, and hang out.
And
Uh,
just to say that we had been there.
right,
I
right.
mean, it was one of those
What
experiences.
was $1.25 for? So we can get back home.
Get back into the US.
The US charged us a toll to go across the bridge. So I don't know if the US built the bridge. I don't know who built the bridge. But anyway, thank you, my fellow North Carolinians,
We
for your content.
I do so enjoy it. Oh,
Oh,
thank you.
man, the comments disappear right quick,
They
don't they?
do.
But so we did that. Impromptu is nice. Treat all the banks inside, outside, uptown, downtown, whatever you choose. Okay,
It's enjoyable.
it's enjoyable. So we did that. But this whole trip, uh, Lake George is gorgeous.
It is.
I mean, Lake George is just I could just sit there on the shore and watch. Usually feed bridges, crossing,
Go
go towards
towards
maintaining
the
the
bridge.
bridge. Yep,
That's very well
that's
to
right.
be it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You want to check it again? Because I smell it.
Ooh.
Oh, I smell the seasoning that you put in there. Hold on, y'all. Don't- Hold on to something. All
Hope,
right.
hope we're not making you dizzy. No, it's good.
It's good.
Let me stir these.
30 beans. You don't want them to get. Yeah, that's gonna be.
Oh, okay. We're good.
Turn on live chat. Oh shoot.
What happened?
Elise told me to turn on live chat
We're going in and
and look on. Yeah. So we're going back in. Okay. So we got to look on here to see.
uh, at least,
Oh, hold on, y'all. I got to bring y'all back down.
at least
Okay.
American capitalism at its finest.
Okay. Turn on live chat. I'm gonna need somebody. Oh, Bass Queen says she's gonna need 2 plates.